labanang. Are y'all ready? Kitaw, kitaw, kitaw mania. Kitaw, kitaw, kitaw mania. Kitaw, kitaw.
SMA Enol Marga Asih is the place I choose to describe because not only where study, but also where I grow academically and personally. Compared to other places in my area, this school a strong influence on students and my surrounding community. It is a public senior high school located in my Marga Asih area of Bandung Regency, near residential neighborhood and my local woods. As an educational institution, SMAN Marga Asih is usually visited on weekdays by students, teachers, or school staff. It is well known as a converted center of learning, and my first impression people get when they see the school it is organized, active, and supportive of student development.